save of my help.
We have a top secret model for you, Zim.
Would you?
Is it supposed to be stupid?
It's not stupid. It's advanced.
Okay, Gur. Our mission begins now. Let us rain some doom down upon the filthy heads of our doomed enemies. I gotta sing the doom song now.
No.
Would you please stop singing? Proximity warning. Planet ahead. We're here! We're finally here! What's it? Simon? This must be the place. Okay, first off we have to set up a base of operations. Focus, Gur! This is where your advanced information gathering skills come in handy. Yes, my master. Good! You have to observe when these earth noise considered to be normal. Then, based on your observations, we make our disguises and our hope.
I'm taking it.
Woo! That was easy. Gur, get out here. Hurry, Gur. What did you learn? I saw a squirrel. Give it to me like this. Concentrate, Gur. It is time for disguises. I want to be a mongoose. You have to be quiet. Too ugly! Too sneaky! That one looks good. Oh, what hurt? Master, where'd you go? Where are you? I'm right here, Gur. It's me. And keep it down. You want to wake up the whole planet? I do. Okay, for you, I'm thinking maybe a dog. Can I be a mongoose dog? Today, we become the enemy. And take us! Now, all we need is a home. Let's see. Some windows, a couple of animal things in front. There!